Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add Calendly to Wix website. So let's go to the Wix editor page first. Now you have to click on plus icon, this add elements. Then you'll find here embed code. Click on this and then you can see here the second option embed site. Click on this. Now you can see that your embed has been here. Now you can choose the position where you want to add it or place it. I'm placing here. Okay, now you have to click on this thing, go to your Calendly website. This is my Calendly website and I have made this thing. Now click on this copy link, go back to your website and you have to click on enter website address. Now you have to just click paste here, click on apply, and then you'll find here that your Calendly is already has been added. Okay, so this is how you can add Calendly to Wix website. You can make it larger or bigger with the mouse, that's up to you. Okay, so this is how you can do this. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.